Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Tether from Kucoin to Robinhood in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and moving it between exchanges like Kucoin and Robinhood can help you manage your portfolio more efficiently. Whether you're diversifying investments or just switching platforms, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Robinhood. In 2025, these platforms have streamlined their interfaces, but always double-check for any updates or fees. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets, or Wallet section, and select your Tether USDT balance. Next, initiate a withdrawal. Click on the Withdraw button for USDT. You'll need to enter the recipient address. That's Robinhood's wallet address for your account. To find this, log into Robinhood on another tab or device. Go to your Robinhood crypto wallet, copy the USDT deposit address, and paste it back into Kucoin. Remember, in 2025, blockchain networks are even faster, but always verify the network type, like Tron or Ethereum, to match what both platforms support. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits or network fees. These can vary, so check Kucoin's fees page first. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction with your two-factor authentication for security. Sit back and wait for the transfer to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once the funds arrive in your Robinhood account, you'll get a notification. Double-check your balance to ensure everything's correct. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Tether. A quick tip: always use the official apps or websites to avoid scams, and keep an eye on regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect crypto transfers. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.